Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. In previous tutorial we added one map. So first let's set that map as default. If I'm not wrong, it was under this. Yes. Go to edit, project settings, map and mode. So by default we set the default one, but now we have updated, so we will set this. And if I remembered correctly, just press G if just to hide the details. So if you remember correctly, in our previous tutorial, when we were starting the game and when the zombies spawner were spawning the zombies, we were not hearing the sound. So we will tweak that functionality. So first thing is go to our AI. So core characters, AI's brain here. First, I will remove this sound. Reason being is because it's a sequence, right? And I do want to play this sound continuously, like when the zombie is moving. So we should have that aura of that zombie, like continuously. So to have that sound, uh, we will play that sound in the begin play of the player of the AI. So what we will do in the AI base, I will create one more variable. So control D, use sound base, and I would recommend you to try this functionality on your own. Try like make one a variable and play the sound. Okay, so SC like zombie growl. I'm really sorry if I'm taking the spelling wrong. So okay, control D, and we already know like it's a sound base. So sound base. Okay, next thing is we have to copy paste the path. So right click, copy reference and paste it here. Perfect. Let me check. Okay, I think we do have just one growl sound. That's it. We do have aggressive, and we can like while it is growling, we can also uh, tweak between aggressive. So yep, we can. Maybe this is okay. And in the modular part, it is like pitch is like from min to max, and we want this to be in the loop. So this is important. So make sure that you're doing that. And the attenuation setting is already set. If you remember correctly, the inner radius was 400, and we can also put this to be 400 or 500 maybe. So you can have, uh, perfect radius. Okay, so if we will spawn this, so even if our zombie is here, we should hear something out, right? So this is cool. Delete and save. Now we have to play the sound in the begin play because it will be in the continuous loop. So just remove this line. We'll check if it is valid. Mutils is valid. If it is not valid, we will say sc underscore zombie growl is not valid. Okay, if it is valid, then we will use gameplay statics, play sound at location. Why we are playing sound at location? Because let's imagine if you are here somewhere in the corner and the zombie is there, like somewhere far. We don't want to listen his sound. So get world, comma. Here we want sound base, and we have spelled it wrong. It is B. So rename it will be SB. So next, okay, comma, we have to enter the location. So this, okay, the location. I think we are good to go. It's quite easy, right? Like now when we will play the game, let me play my gun, and now we can actually first is like we do want to, okay, it's I think AI base or AI. What was the name again? Core, correct. Okay, it was in the C++ class of zombie core AI MAI base. So MAI base. Okay, and we will play it in the pie mode. We have our wave spawning. Let me check if he's spawned somewhere here. No. So we don't have anything right in the log. So he might be spawned in after 10 seconds if I'm not wrong. Everything looks great though. Okay, the zombie spawned. But I can't see him, so maybe somewhere here. Nope. I can't hear the sound though. Maybe I have to click here just to check. Okay, my cooldown time is wrong. Now the next wave is here. But I'm still surprised, like I'm unable to find my zombie. Okay, he's here. Okay. These two are behaving weird. I can't hear the sound. I can't. I was very close to the zombie. Okay, first thing which we have to do is like, let me check if this sound was there or not. So I think I made that variable public, if I'm not wrong. So SB sound wave, edit anywhere, zombie growl, zombie. Oh shit, really sorry. I think it's my fault. I haven't compiled the code yet. So, okay, being stupid. We have done one more mistake. If you remember when we are playing the game, uh, we are like in 10 second, after 10 second it should spawn one zombie, right? But it is not. So it is your task. It's not that big deal because it's very minor error. But I want you to to check where is that error. So right now, if you look carefully, the next wave remaining time is 53, and after 10 or 20 seconds, it should spawn one zombie. And at the right hand side, it's been 14 or 15 seconds, but we haven't got any AI yet. Okay, one zombie spawned. Came here. Okay, zombies here. I'm very near to him. I'm still unable to hear anything. So maybe we can again spawn him here, and we can check if that variable it is here or not. Yes, it is. I think everything is there. Maybe we can put some delay. Delay of 2 to 5 seconds. And now stop and play. Okay, because of delay it's not playing. After 2 seconds played. Maybe 1 to 2 seconds will be enough. Stop. And let me check. Okay, now the sound is coming. Let me kill him. Okay, this is interesting. If you can hear, I like after uh, making him dead, I can still hear the sound. Okay, the reason being is maybe because we are using the uGameplay statics and it is spawning that queue, and after delay, we are destroying the actor, it is not destroying the sound because it is not connected through the component. So one of the option is like we can use the sound component. So here, if we do want to add the sound component, give me a second. Add sound audio component. Okay, and in that audio component, if we will set the sound zombie growl, yes, and we will remove that variable from here. This is just for testing. I just want to check if it will work out or not. I got scared. Okay, as soon as I am making him dead, it is working fine. So we will use that approach. So we will add the U sound component here. So what we will do again, U property, edit anywhere, blueprint read write. In our case, we are not using blueprint though, but just for the future proof, I'm doing that. Use sound component. It was audio component, if I'm not wrong. Audio component and audio component zombie growl. Okay, and what we will do here, we will attach it to the uh, to the mesh. So what we will do, audio component is equals to create defaults object u audio component text IC underscore zombie growl. This is your audio component, yes. Okay, next is to attach this audio component. So dot setup attachment, and we'll attach it to the mesh. So this is done. Next thing is to set the source. So for the source, It's in the sound. So and we will do it in the begin play because this because after loading everything, the begin play will be there. So if it is there, I will just comment this line out and we will do AC dot set sound, and here it will take the sound bar. So SP zombie growl. Okay, compile. So I think it should work fine. I will just delete this and I will spawn him again from the C++ class zombie core and AI. And at the right hand side under the mesh, we can see we have our audio component, but we don't have the sound. Hmm. We are not getting any error though. Okay, why is that? Okay, the sound will be there in the begin play. Let's play the game, but it is not getting played. Let's play it in the viewport and eject it out. Select the body and check. Okay, the sound is there, or why is it not playing? The auto activate is there. Zombie growl. Okay. Let's remove the delay and check. Save. Okay. I think everything is fine. Let me check. Okay, I got the issue. Actually, when we are playing the game, in the sound, we have set the sound, but we haven't set the attenuation setting. So as soon as we are setting the attenuation setting, it is working fine. But it should have the reason being is in the sound key only we are setting the attenuation. So it should have, but okay. So what we'll do, we will just right click and we will copy the reference. And here we will set the AC zombie dot set attenuation. What was the option again? Uh, Under the attenuation setting, attenuation. So under this attenuation setting, we can have the okay. So one of the thing is like we can have the variable also like equals to, so it do want F sound attenuation setting. Uh, Zombie growl. I haven't tested this your code yet, so let's check. Growl attenuation setting. So zombie dot okay, what was the settings again? If we will double click, enable volume attenuation, enable volume volume uh, okay, give me a second. Let me create one more attenuation so we will have the clear picture how we can set. Miscellaneous, nope, go to media audio attenuation setting, double click it. Okay, it's just the setting which we can tweak is the fall off distance. The inner radius is already there, 400. So inner radius. Give me a second, let me check what are the options available. So sound attenuation is here, yes. And for the only option which we do want to change is the fall off radius. So fall off radius, fall off radius, fall off distance, distance. Okay, so fall off distance is equals to, we have set it to 3600. 3600. So overrides to zombie. Let's check if it will work out. Let me delete this. Force delete. Save. And yes. And override. Okay. The second option is actually we can just click the override detonation. It will also work. So let's check. Let me compile. And we are doing it in the begin play. So first we have to simulate the game. Okay, patch is done. We have to delete this and spawn him again. I didn't expect this tutorial to be that long. I was expecting it to be very short. Okay, let's compile. Sorry, let's play. Begin play called, and here we don't have anything. Override automation setting. Okay, I think it is working. Nope. So let's test another option. Okay, we can try one more thing actually. Let's move this code from begin play to the constructor itself. Reason being is like we will, like, constructor will be called as soon as we'll spawn the zombie there. So it should work. So let me compile the game first and check. But except this, I think everything is fine from the code side. Okay, it is up. Press G, spawn the zombie and check. Yes, now it is working fine. Press escape, select our zombie, and our audio component is there, and we have the overrided attenuation. So everything is fine. So this was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubt, and let me know if you want to add some feature to this game. Thank you and have a nice day.